generate blocks, and even style your renders all by itself. That's the power of Rayon's new AI workflow. If you're an architect or an interior designer, you probably know this feeling. You have 10 different tabs open for different tasks, but you still struggle to make everything come together. But what if your drafting tool could actually understand your design and help you complete faster without needless switching? That is exactly what Rayon's AI is trying to do. So in this video, we'll explore Rayon's new AI features that can literally save hours of your time, from generating drawings to creating axonometric views automatically. Rayon is building an ecosystem where AI works directly in your drafting space, helping you to design, edit, and visualize faster without breaking your workflow. Let's see how this actually works inside your projects. Rayon has always been a powerful web-based CAD platform, but with this update, they are introducing something new, an AI panel built right into your workspace.
Head over to Rayon Design using the link in the description. Sign in or create a free account and start a new model workspace. On the left side, you'll see an AI chat option. Click that and the AI panel opens up. It works like a simple chat box where you can ask questions, generate renders, or even research content all in one place. You can also add files or screenshots. This tab shows some of the common workflows you can explore, and we'll dive into those in the next few minutes.
But the best part is, it's all happening inside Rayon, so you don't need to switch softwares or switch to different tabs. And these AI features are currently available for everyone to try. Now, let's take a look at what this AI actually does and why it matters for designers like us. You can simply type in questions about how to use Rayon, and the AI gives back tips, best practices, visuals, and even tutorials. This is perfect if you're just getting started with Rayon.
Let's ask how to export a drawing as a CAD file from Rayon. The AI gives us a clean, step-by-step explanation of the export process. It even adds links to related articles or tutorial videos. On top of that, it can help with technical queries like line weight references. It generates a full table of suggested line weights for different elements. Let's go one step further and ask for a reference image, and Rayon's AI instantly gives us an illustrated visual with all the line weights marked.
This one is for all the designers who spend hours searching images on Pinterest for mood boards and inspiration. You can now generate all of them within Rayon itself.
Now let's try generating some inspiration for a bedroom with a study table and sofa in an open plan. Just type your prompt in natural language and hit enter. The AI generates a highly realistic image within seconds. You can make edits just by typing what you want changed, and the platform updates the image instantly. You also have options to download it, remove the background for product shots, or upscale the resolution. The results are crisp and photorealistic with almost no effort.
This is where it gets powerful. You can upload a product image into Rayon AI, and it automatically generates a 2D vector-based CAD block for it. You can create them in top, side, and front views. Let's see how it works.
Let's create a CAD block of this chair. In the block panel, go to In, Model Blocks, and upload an image. Within minutes, Rayon's AI processes and vectorizes it, generating top, front, and side views automatically. I tested this with a few more complex furniture pieces, and the tool did an impressive job understanding their forms and creating accurate blocks.
For architects and interior designers, this saves a significant amount of time, especially when you're working on repetitive elements like furniture, fixtures, or millwork details. And this can also be helpful when you have furniture elements that are specific and unique to your projects. This workflow is perfect for interior designers. Let's say you already have a mood board with furniture pieces and materials. Now, you can ask Rayon's AI to generate a rendered room view using that setup.
I have this simple furniture collage for a master bathroom. Let's upload it into the AI panel and prompt it to create an interior render using those elements. Hit enter and it generates a full bathroom render that incorporates everything from the collage. You can also edit the rendered image. Click reuse and let's ask it to replace the white tiles with grey floral tiles. The AI updates only that part while keeping everything else intact.
This workflow is so huge for concept development. Instead of spending many hours trying test renders in different software, you can now explore styles, lighting, and material options directly inside Rayon. Now, here's a tool that architects will truly love.
Here, we have got a kitchen plan and elevations. Normally, creating axonometric views from 2D drawings is time-consuming, but not here. Go to the AI panel, click the plus icon, and upload a screenshot of your canvas. Select the plan and elevation and ask the AI to create an axonometric view of the kitchen. Within seconds, you get a clean axonometric drawing with all the original details preserved. It exports as a PNG and can be upscaled for higher quality. I even tried it on an entire floor plan, and Rayon's AI nailed it, so it works well for both small and large drawings.
For interior designers, this means faster visualization of your spatial layouts. It's an instant way to communicate form and volume in the early stages of your design without having to 3D model your entire space. You can take a screenshot of your 2D floor plan or elevation and ask Rayon AI to render it in different styles like watercolor, concept render, or sketch look.
Let's take a screenshot of this cafe section and ask the AI to turn it into a watercolor render. Within seconds, it gives us a beautiful illustration applying the watercolor effect even to tiny details like the light fixtures and wall textures. You can also try pencil-style drawings with hatches or go for a vibrant marker render.
It's perfect for quick client reviews before you jump into your final renders. Now, let's talk about where this actually fits into your workflow. For designers, Rayon's AI can take you from a rough sketch to a conceptual floor plan in minutes. It blocks, applies material styles, and even creates axonometric views right inside your drafting space. For interior designers, it helps you quickly generate furniture layouts or millwork elements, apply textures, and build presentation boards that are client-ready without having to switch between multiple softwares. In short, Rayon's AI panel works like your smart assistant. It helps you visualize, organize, and present your ideas faster than ever. Think of AI as an assistant and not a replacement for your design standards. Always review the generated blocks for scale, line weights, and layers to keep your workflow consistent. Use the AI output as a starting point, refine it with Rayon style and annotation tools, and save your best AI-generated blocks in the Rayon's library for future use. We are now entering a stage where design tools don't just draw, but they're starting to understand what we design. And Rayon takes it a step further. It integrates AI directly into your drafting process so you can cut down on all the repetitive tasks and focus on design thinking and creativity. It's the real win situation with less friction and more ideas. And this is one of the most practical uses of AI in design software that I've come across. If you want to try this for yourself, check out the link in the description to access Rayon. And that's the walkthrough of Rayon's few AI tools, all inside one single platform. If you're ready to design faster, smarter, and with more creative freedom, check out the new Rayon's AI panel. The link to it is in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you can keep up with all the new updates in the industry. If you already tried Rayon, let me know in the comments what you think about this platform. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.